Hi,
Hi, I'm Sunny.
Petra. I'm shooting videos for my blog.
Oh, nice to meet you, Petra.
So tell me what's here. What are you showing?
So I'm showing the Map Player API, which is it's a component that people can use on web. They can just pop this into the website with one line of code. I show you. This is a simple vanilla map player. So I'll just show you the source of this. You can see it's just one line of code saying get this map player. And then users, I mean, obviously if you've got your website, you define everything around it, you make a little space for it, pop it in your website, and users can use the map. Then there are more complex things, such as you might want to have some scripts, add some content. So, you know, guys like this is Ground Guidance, who won the Apps on Maps award. You click a couple of places, they go to their servers, you know, download their routes, which they've been creating navigation for the US Army, so they're very precise routing algorithms, and they use that, and it may take a while because it's a very clever algorithm. And here you go, as a pedestrian, they know, you know, you can't just run across the road, obviously, so it takes you through the paths in the park where there are no roads, and it calculates where you can walk, and then takes you across the roads at zebra crossings or pedestrian traffic lights. So
that's really nice. Tell me about the SDK. So it's available for everyone, and
so
what else can you do with it except routing?
So these APIs, so you can react to all of the events in the map. So you can actually you can place content on the map and define the information that is in that in the info bubbles. You can react to events and animate around things. So you can create 3D views of buildings and you know, fly around, fly throughs and things like that. You can share the information with your friends. So you may have seen recently that we announced the live casting, which is using the map player. And this page has a maps player on it. Any page with a maps player can also take some URL parameters. So here we've got some URL parameters, and when this maps player loads, it actually reads those URL parameters, and it opens it on that page. So if I open a brand new page here, and I copy this URL, then I can send that to my friends, and they can see exactly what I was live casting. You know, and in this case, I think it was a friend of mine, a colleague of mine, who was live casting from just outside here. It looks like he's in a field or something because there are no buildings. But so he's here at St. Germany, but you can, in 3 clicks on your mobile device, you send this off, and you can actually select the places around you. So he could have selected the building name or the airport and just live cast this, and then everyone can see it in their maps player.
Right. So if I'm a developer, I can just go there, download the SDK, get the APIs, modify the map in whichever way I want to.
So this is for web, so we don't really give an SDK. People use the browser and the browser tools. What we've done is we've bundled that up, taken that, put it in the web runtime for mobile clients, and then we said, okay, what do people need when they're developing mobile applications? And that is the UI. They don't want to, you know, they know their website, but when they create a mobile app, they need a UI. So we've given them basic UI building blocks like lists and buttons, and Nacho here can tell you a bit more about that if you want.
Yes.
But they then get access to the same mapping APIs, the UI library, and also navigation. So on the web, you don't really want to be told, you know, turn right here, turn left there, because you're not going anywhere. So, but on the device, you can. So.
Okay, thank you.